Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG1082S in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. And these glasses are a cat eye shape. The lenses are gray, and on its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in the lens. The temples are also black, and you'll find the Gucci logo in gold on its temple and gold studs. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold that it's made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 21 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and on the inside of the case is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, also with the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci authenticity envelope, and a Gucci cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.